1. Fine. Very good. Good work. Nice, Yuan. Yes. Fine. Color red. Very good. Number 4. Fine. Ay, galing ni Yuno. No. Try again. Very good. Good work. Find color yellow. Very good. Yes. Up. Wait lang, wait. Orange na yun. Okay. Number 6. 6 pa lang tayo. 6. Yes. Red. Color red. 6. Find. Find mo and look at. Look at that. Look at that. Color, yeah. Red. Color red. You want. Very good. 7. Yes. Number 7. 7. 2-part make a hole. Very good. Yes. Number 8. Ang galing naman yan. Bilib na ako sa'yo, naka. Bibilib na si mami sa'yo. Ang galing naman. Oh, ano ayos mo? Ayos mo. Napunta sa number 9. Ayan. Oh, look mo, look. Look. Tama na yung sagot. Tinuro mo kay mami. Yan, oh. Ba't naging number 6 yan? Wait natin. Ayos natin yung number 9 mo. Oh, find mo number 10. Ang galing. Ang galing yung 1, ha? Yes, number 11. Oh, sige, ayan mo na. Ba't ginawa mong 9 yan? Oh, number 11, oh. Number 11. Find mo. Color red. Para mabuo siya. Yes. Oh, look. Very good. Fantastic yun, ha? Number 6 yan. Number 16. Ay, 16. Ba't naging baliktad yata ito, nak? Wait. Ito 12, oh. 12. Very good. Ang galing yun, ha? Ay, very good na naman. Very good. Very good. Good work. No! Look! Look mo, look! Number 15 pa lang tayo, nak. Oh, look. Look mo muna, Yuan. Number 15. Yes, 15. Oh, look. Good job. Oh, check natin. If tama ka, ha? If tama ang bibi ko, check natin. Ay! Nagkalaglagan na. O, lagay mo dito yung blue. Check natin kung tama ka. Naglaglag na, mami. Check, tama ba? Ay, very good. Correct. Oh, nice. You won, very